Match Fishtank, Unit 6, Lesson 11, Anchor Problem 2. So I'm looking here at Omar's situation, and I need to figure out what I want the variable to be. Since I'm wanting to know the value of the hat, I'm going to let h be the value of the hat. So let's see what I know. I know that Omar has spent $58 on the boots. And he's also spent $26 on a sweater. And then he wants to buy a hat. So there's my H for hat. And he has a gift card that's $100. So he needs to not go over $100. Now for this situation, we're going to ignore tax. Just because it makes it easier to solve, although you could certainly make it more complicated and add tax if you wanted to. But I know I have to take these things here, this $58 plus $26 plus the cost of the hat and ship to the $100. Well, he could spend $100, so I know I could have something that's equal to $100. Or he could spend less than $100. Now I can go through and I can solve this. And when you are solving this type of an inequality, it's easier to think of it as if you're solving an equation and then figure out what the relationship is. So I've changed colors here, and I'm going to write this as an equation. I have 58 for the boots and 26 for the sweater, and then the amount of the hat, and then let's assume he spends the full amount and spends $100. Okay, I'm going to simplify this first by noticing that I can combine 58 and 26, and that's going to give me that we know he spent $84 already, plus the amount of the hat, and that has to equal $100 or less, as we saw up there. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing to both sides. Because I'm adding 84, I want to subtract 84 from each side, which will give me just H here on the left and 16 here on the right. All right, minimum that Omar can spend on the hat is $16, and then he will have used the whole gift card. But I want to write that as an inequality. So I know that the hat can be related to 16. It could be equal to $16, or it could be less than $16, and he wouldn't go over the $100 gift card.